Hi there, it's Mike Murphy, and this is the Agent Evergreen Manifesto. I have made over 1,800 tutorials, and most of them are already dead. I started my YouTube channel in 2015, and I have been making tutorials and content consistently for the past 10 plus years. I started by teaching all of the tech tools that I was using in my new content creation business. So how to start a podcast, how to use Adobe Audition, Photoshop, Premiere, Adobe After Effects. And then I transitioned into AI tools, Claude Code, Codex, N8N, VPS, RAG, agents. It's hard to believe, but I have over 18 million views on my videos. So I'd like to think that my tutorials have helped a few people out there in the world. And even though my videos make me cringe when I have to go back and watch them, I am still very proud of the tutorials that I've made over the years. The problem is they don't last. Now that has always been the case with software tutorials, but AI has put that on fast forward. An AI tutorial that was completely accurate when I published it can be outdated within a few weeks. And then the comments start rolling in. This doesn't work anymore. And they're right. It doesn't. And that is the bigger problem. The tutorial model itself is broken. And AI broke it for good. No human can re-record fast enough to keep pace with tools that change weekly. Creators burn out on the AI treadmill, while the person just trying to build something wastes an entire weekend stitching together half-baked AI advice from 5 different videos that are all outdated in their own way. Making tutorials isn't just something that I do casually. I have spent more than a decade constantly thinking, how can I make my tutorials better? What makes something click? What makes a tutorial useful? What makes a tutorial worth your time to watch? So I started asking a different question. What would it look like to completely rethink the AI tutorial making process? Agent Evergreen is my answer. So here is what I'm doing instead. I am building Agent Evergreen. This is a living library where the unit isn't a video or a course. It is a working system that you own forever, and it is designed to stay current even as the tools change. Every system in the Agent Evergreen library ships complete with a forkable repo, so the actual code, the workflows, the config files, the prompts, clone it and run it. You'll also get a build guide written the way that I teach, clear, concise, no fluff, plain English. You'll get a walkthrough video, so a short video from me. You will also get adaptation notes. So if your tech stack looks different than mine, don't worry. The adaptation notes will tell you how you can use the system on your tech stack. And the last thing included in the system, you'll get a public changelog and a dated stamp. So a tool plus the version number and the date. And the last one, this is the whole ballgame with Agent Evergreen. Here is the promise that no tutorial has ever made you. When the tools change, the system gets updated, and you can see exactly when it was last verified. Breaking changes are fixed within 7 days. Every system is rechecked every single month, and the stamp is public. So if something goes stale or gets outdated, you will know, and so will everyone else. And I cannot hide from that. Now, how on earth can one person like myself possibly promise something like that? Because I am not doing this alone. And this is the part that I am genuinely excited about. I run a small fleet of AI agents, and they watch the release notes of every single tool that the library depends on. They flag what broke. They draft the updates, the guides, the diagrams. They handle what used to be the treadmill, the re-recording, the reformatting, the what changed in version 2.4 grind. But, and this matters to me a lot, the agents draft, but I decide. Every guide gets my edit. Every system gets me on camera and the microphone, and every stamp is me personally verifying that this thing runs. I have watched the internet fill up with AI-generated content that nobody has checked. And this is exactly what that isn't. The agents do the grind so I can spend my time where humans actually matters. Building real systems, making judgment calls, and teaching. I call this approach programmatic knowledge. I build it once, the agents keep it alive. I am building it in public starting now. Over the next 30 days, I'm building the first system in the library live in public, the Content Factory. This is the exact agent-run pipeline that operates my entire business. The capture habits, the agent fleet, the automation that turns raw work into tutorials and newsletters, all of it. It is the most honest first product that I could think of because it truly is the machine that this entire thing runs on. You will watch me build the Content Factory here and in my AI Unplugged newsletter every Friday. Then, drumroll please, on Friday, September 11th. It becomes the first system in the library and Agent Evergreen officially opens, the Founding 100. When it opens, the first 100 members get founding terms. So $149 per year, locked for life. You'll get every system, every future system, 1 ships per month. You get the freshness guarantee, and a vote on what gets built next. If any system in the library does not save you at least 20 hours, I will refund your entire year. 1 email, no friction. Cancel whenever. Everything that you cloned is yours to keep forever. After 100, it's $200 per year. The founding price never changes for founding members. That is my thank you to you for backing me when the library was just 1 system deep. If you want in, and you do, join the founding waitlist. Waitlist members get the first crack at the 100 spots that open on September 11th. Why can I make this promise? Because I own every part of this. The site, the content, the agents, the infrastructure. No algorithm decides whether you see my work. No platform takes a cut of your trust. Now, I love YouTube and I'm not leaving it. But this library answers to one group of people, the members. I have spent 10 plus years teaching people that this stuff that you're watching is learnable. Well, here is the next version of that promise. And it's not watch me do it. It's here. This is yours. It works. And it's going to keep on working. So what do you say? Let's build. My name is Mike Murphy, your AI handyman. Cheers.